Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create a crypto wallet for staking. First, you need to choose the right wallet. There are two main types: software wallets, which are applications on your phone or computer, and hardware wallets, which are physical devices. For staking, many prefer hardware wallets for their enhanced security, but software wallets can also be suitable depending on your needs and the specific cryptocurrency you plan to stake. Once you have selected your wallet, the next step is to set it up. This usually involves downloading the application or initializing your hardware device. You will then create a new wallet, which generates a crucial seed phrase, typically consisting of 12 or 24 words. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so write it down accurately and store it in a secure, offline location. Also, create a robust password for daily access. Your seed phrase is the master key to your funds, so protecting it is paramount. Write it down physically on paper, double-checking every word for accuracy. It is wise to create at least 2 copies and store them in separate, secure, and private locations, like a safe deposit box or a fireproof safe. Remember, anyone with your seed phrase can access your funds, so never store it digitally or share it with anyone ever. With your wallet set up and secured, you are ready to fund it. Transfer the specific cryptocurrency you intend to stake from an exchange or another wallet into your new staking wallet. Once funded, you can connect your wallet to a staking platform or delegate your tokens to a validator, depending on the blockchain's mechanism. Always review the staking terms, such as lock-up periods and potential reward percentages, before committing your assets.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.